Going back to talents, it brings me to the question: how do you retain your talent and how do you motivate them? Because you said you were lucky, but I guess that was engineered luck, actually.
Well, yeah. Well, we're both lucky and working hard on that, because there's no single culture that fits, let's say, everyone. But we believe that we created a unique one in our team. We're very transparent. We're very honest and open with the team about what's going on. We have last year, since the pandemic hit, we had a in-person meeting like every other month, and then kind of everyone got together and talk about stuff that's going on, pretty much like a presentation. But since the pandemics, we are actually recording a monthly Zeroqode series, Zeroqode Radio, we call it, where me and my founder just talk about stuff, about what's going on, and what's good, what's bad, and who came, who left, what are the news, what has changed, what has improved. We're maintaining a lot of direct feedback channels with the team. So we have the bots that we're using for kind of getting people's moods. We have a few things which is called a retrospective report. I believe once a quarter, people are getting a bot with a few questions. I mean, what's going on? How are you feeling? Rate your experience from 1 to 5. And, what are the good things that happened recently? What are the bad things that happened recently? So, and kind of like a lot of people are sharing brilliant ideas. I mean, and a lot of our lucky hits were actually not ours. They were coming from the team. They were saying, hey, let's do, movie Friday sometimes. And I was like, oh, that's a good idea. Why don't we do that? And we're having one this Friday, by the way. Why don't we do this and do that? Why don't we, meditate together? Oh, great. So why not? And this is why I'm saying this is a team effort, because it's not us like sitting and coming up with great ideas all the time. It's mostly at the opposite. We're just getting all these great ideas from people, and we're saying, yeah, that's actually a very good one. Let's try it out.
Make them feel part of it.
They are a part of it. So it's...
I'm sorry, was that just an invitation to the Friday night movie?
I thought so.
Yeah, you're welcome to. We have pizzas as well. So
okay, we're in.